Hi there! Welcome to GlobeTales, where the wonders of the world come to life, one story at a time. Today, we're traveling back over 2,500 years to explore one of the most brilliant civilizations in history, ancient Greece. Ancient Greece wasn't a single country. Instead, it was made up of city-states, little independent cities with their own armies and governments. Two of the most famous were Athens and Sparta. Athens was all about learning, art, and thinking. It's where democracy was born, a way of letting people vote on decisions. Only free men could vote back then, but it was a big idea that changed the world. Sparta was very different. They believed in discipline, bravery, and strength. Spartan boys were trained to become strong soldiers from a young age. The Greeks also believed in many powerful gods and goddesses. They told myths, amazing stories about Zeus, the king of the gods, Athena, the goddess of wisdom, and heroes like Hercules. And here's something cool: the Greeks started the Olympic Games. In 776 BCE, athletes from all over Greece came together in a city called Olympia to compete in races, discus throws, and more, all in honor of the gods. Ancient Greece gave us theater, science, mathematics, architecture, and even parts of our alphabet. They loved asking big questions, like what is justice? Or what makes people happy? Even today, we still learn from Greek philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. So next time you see a stage, a voting booth, or even the Olympics, remember, it all started in ancient Greece. Thanks for watching GlobeTales, where history comes to life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures.